Good morning to good morning to one and all. So now today we are discuss about astrophysics, material science chapters. So today classification of stars. So what is classification of stars? So according to our learning objectives is the study of the spectral class star. Session outcomes are classification of star was learned, gains, super gains are identified. So classification of the star on the basis of H.D. Ketelaw. So E.C. Pickering classification of stars or Harvard classification. According to E.C. Pickering classification of the star based on the spectra. What is the spectra? Spectra is the stellar spectra. Stars can be identified by using spectra. The light emitted by star is passed through a prism and an observing through the spectrometer. This type of study of the stellar spectra to study about identification of the spectra, the size of the spectra. So now, according to E.C. Pickering, classify the stars as based on their spectral appearance is called spectral class. The spectral class is A to P. The star assigned a letter from A, B, C, D to P depending on the strength of the hydrogen lines of the spectra. So it will be failure. The better classification is done on the basis of surface temperature of the star. In decreasing a better classification of the spectra on the basis of surface temperature of the star. In decreasing order of temperature, spectral class can be denoted as O type, B type, A type, F type, G, K, M. So O stars are hottest star, temperature are 25,000 Kelvin. M stars are coolest star. The better classification of the spectra on the basis of surface temperature of the stars. Each spectral class, O star is the hottest star, M stars are called coolest star. Sun is a G type star. Each spectral class is divided into 10 subclasses are called spectral types. So for example, B type of stars, B0, B1, B2, B3, B9, G0, G1, G2, G9. It's supplement. So our sun is G star, around the temperature is 6000. What are the spectral features of this on the basis of temperature? O group is a blue-violet color. Around the temperature is 25,000 to 5,000. For example, it is an example for Delta Oriens and Minata. B spectral series is called color of the stars is blue-white. Around the temperature is 10,000 to 25,000. Example, Rigel lens. Speaker. A spectral class, color of the A spectral class are white. And the temperature is 7,500 to 10,000. So it is an example for Sirius and Vega. F group are yellow white, 6000 to 7500, for example, is Canopus. G group, its color is yellow, around temperature 5000 to 6000, Sun, G2V group, and Kepler. And G2 means the second hottest stars. K spectral class are orange, around the temperature is 3500 to 5000, Alpha Tauri, it's an example. M spectral class, red orange colors, around the temperature is 2500 to 3500, is example for Antares and Betelgeuse. So the spectral class can be classified. The next classification is Eric's luminosity of classification of the star. Stars are grouped on the basis of luminosity. EC Pickering is classified the star on the basis of surface temperature. But Yerkes, on the basis of luminosity, there are 7 groups of the stars decreasing order of luminosity. There are subgains, supergains, gains, bright gains, main sequence of the star, subdwarf, white dwarf. These are the 7 subdivision groups. What are the supergains? Supergains are highly luminous stars and very highly massive stars. Bright gains, these are the luminosity is 1000 times more than the luminance of the sun. Normal gains, the luminosity is 100 times more than luminosity of the sun. Subgain. Subgains are luminosity slightly greater than sun. Next, main sequence of the star. The luminosity is comparably sun, Alpha Centauri, Vega, and Sirius is most examples. Subdwarf. Subdwarfs are luminosity is less than the mass of the less than the luminosity of the sun. For example, Sirius. White dwarf, luminosity is very much less than the sun. Okay, now today we are know that the classification of stars. There are 2 types of. Today we are learn classification of the star. One is EC Pickering classification of the star. Second one is Yerkes luminosity classification of the star. So, EC Pickering is classified the star on the basis of spectral class and strength of the hydrogen lines. So in case of Yerkes luminosity, on the basis of luminosity, decreasing the luminosity. So, okay, thank you.